Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some incredible facts about Birmingham, a city rich in history and culture. From its industrial legacy to its vibrant art scene, Birmingham has left an indelible mark on the world. Get ready to be amazed as we unearth hidden gems and celebrate the spirit of this dynamic city. We'll journey through time, exploring how Birmingham's past has shaped its present. From Tolkien's fantastical landscapes to the birthplace of heavy metal, prepare to be captivated by the stories that Birmingham has to tell. It's a city of innovation, creativity, and a whole lot of heart, so buckle up and let's get started. J.R. Tolkien, the mastermind behind The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit, spent his formative years in and around Birmingham. Can you imagine young Tolkien wandering through the city's outskirts, drawing inspiration from the rolling hills and the industrial heartland? It's said that Sarehole Mill, a majestic watermill nestled in the suburbs, sparked his imagination for Hobbiton. And those towering structures, the factories of the Black Country, they might just have been the inspiration for the fiery realm of Mordor. Birmingham's landscape, both its natural beauty and its industrial grit, weaved its way into Tolkien's imagination. It's incredible to think that this city played a part in shaping one of the most beloved fantasy worlds ever created. Now picture this, it's 1850 and Birmingham is buzzing with excitement. The city is about to unveil a marvel of engineering, Bingley Hall, the first ever exhibition hall in Great Britain. This grand structure, a testament to Birmingham's industrial prowess, stood proudly for over a century. Can you imagine the crowds flocking from all corners to witness the latest inventions and marvel at the wonders on display? Bingley Hall wasn't just a building, it was a symbol of Birmingham's ambition, its drive to showcase its ingenuity to the world. Sadly, Bingley Hall was destroyed by a fire in 1984. But its legacy lives on, a reminder of Birmingham's pioneering spirit and its ability to bring people together. Feeling peckish? Let's take a trip to the Bright Star, a Birmingham institution that's been serving up deliciousness for over 2 centuries. Imagine the stories these walls could tell. Step inside and you're transported back in time. The aroma of traditional British cooking fills the air. Think bangers and mash, fish and chips and succulent steaks, all cooked to perfection. It's comfort food at its finest. The Bright Star isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where generations have gathered to share laughter, stories, and of course, a hearty meal. Get ready to rock, because Birmingham is known for its industrial heart, but did you know it's also the birthplace of heavy metal? That's right, the heavy riffs, the pounding drums, the raw energy, it all started right here. Think Black Sabbath, legends of the genre, their music echoing the sounds of the city's factories. And Judas Priest, another Birmingham band who took the world by storm with their powerful metal anthems. Birmingham's industrial landscape, the clang of machinery, the grit and grime. It all seeped into the music, giving birth to a genre that's full of power and intensity. Let's delve into a piece of history that connects Birmingham to one of the most famous ships ever built, the Titanic. While the Titanic was built in Belfast, its anchor, that massive piece of metal that held the ship steady, was forged in the heart of Birmingham's industrial Black Country. Imagine the skill, the craftsmanship that went into creating such a vital component of this iconic vessel. It's a testament to the industrial might of Birmingham and the surrounding region. The Titanic's story may have ended in tragedy, but the anchor, a symbol of strength and resilience, serves as a reminder of Birmingham's industrial heritage. Get ready to raise a glass to Birmingham's Irish heritage. Every year, the city bursts into a riot of green as it celebrates St. Patrick's Day with unrestrained enthusiasm. Digbeth, the city's creative quarter, transforms into a sea of shamrocks, Guinness and good cheer. Imagine the energy, the music, the dancing in the streets. Birmingham knows how to throw a party, and St. Patrick's Day is no exception. It's a celebration of Irish culture, a time to let loose and enjoy the crack. So, if you're looking for a St. Patrick's Day celebration that's full of life, laughter and a whole lot of Guinness, Birmingham is the place to be. Calling all chocolate lovers. Birmingham is the birthplace of Cadbury, one of the world's most beloved chocolate brands. It all started with John Cadbury, a Birmingham entrepreneur with a vision. Imagine the aroma of chocolate filling the air as you stroll through Bourneville, a model village created by Cadbury for his workers. It's a charming place with quaint houses and a strong sense of community. Today, Cadbury chocolate is enjoyed worldwide, but its heart remains in Birmingham. So next time you indulge in a bar of dairy milk, remember the city where it all began. Get ready to hit the road, because Birmingham is the birthplace of a true British icon, the Mini Cooper. This small but mighty car captured the hearts of the nation and became a global sensation. Picture this. It's 1959 and the first Mini Cooper rolls off the production line at the Longbridge plant in Birmingham. Little did anyone know that this compact car would become a symbol of British style and innovation. From its starring role in The Italian Job to its enduring popularity today, the Mini Cooper is a testament to Birmingham's automotive legacy. Forget gondolas. Birmingham might not be the first city that springs to mind when you think of canals, but believe it or not, it boasts more miles of canals than Venice. It's true. During the Industrial Revolution, Birmingham was a hive of activity, and these canals were its arteries transporting goods and fueling the city's growth. Today, these waterways offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. Imagine taking a leisurely boat trip, gliding through the heart of the city, past historical buildings and hidden green spaces. It's a different perspective of Birmingham, a reminder of its industrial past and its peaceful present. Let's take a deep breath and celebrate a groundbreaking discovery that took place in Birmingham. In 1774, Joseph Priestley, a scientist and theologian, discovered oxygen right here in this very city. Imagine the excitement, the sense of wonder, as Priestley conducted his experiments, unraveling the mysteries of the air we breathe. His discovery revolutionized our understanding of respiration, combustion, and the very nature of life itself. Priestley's legacy lives on not just in science textbooks but in the air we breathe, a constant reminder of the power of human curiosity and Birmingham's contribution to our understanding of the world. Get ready to sparkle, because Birmingham is renowned for its jewellery quarter, a treasure trove of glittering gems, intricate designs and centuries-old craftsmanship. Imagine stepping back in time as you wander through the narrow streets lined with workshops and boutiques, each with its own story to tell. For over 200 years, this district has been the heart of the British jewellery industry. From family-run businesses to renowned designers, the Jewellery Quarter is a testament to Birmingham's legacy of craftsmanship and creativity. Birmingham's history is not without its complexities. The city's industrial prowess extended to the production of firearms, and the Gun Quarter, once a thriving hub of gunsmiths, played a significant role in British history. Imagine the skill, the precision required to craft these weapons. During times of conflict, the Gun Quarter hummed with activity, supplying firearms for the British Army. It's a reminder of Birmingham's industrial past and its role in shaping global events. Today, the Gun Quarter is a shadow of its former self, but its legacy serves as a reminder of Birmingham's complex industrial history. Let's celebrate the power of education. Birmingham is home to the University of Birmingham, a pioneering institution that opened its doors in 1900 as England's first civic university. This groundbreaking concept made higher education accessible to all, regardless of their background. Imagine the hope, the opportunity that the University of Birmingham represented for so many. It was a beacon of knowledge, a place where minds could meet, ideas could flourish, and barriers could be broken down. Today, the University of Birmingham continues to be a leading centre of learning, research and innovation, its legacy a testament to the city's commitment to education for all. Get ready to cheer, because Birmingham is a city that lives and breathes football. With two Premier League teams, Birmingham City and Aston Villa, the rivalry runs deep, and the passion for the beautiful game is palpable. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the electric atmosphere on match day as fans from both sides come together to support their teams. Football isn't just a sport in Birmingham, it's a way of life, a source of pride and a unifying force. So, whether you're a die-hard fan or simply enjoy the thrill of the game, Birmingham's football scene is sure to get your heart racing. Let's immerse ourselves in the world of art. The Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery houses a treasure trove of masterpieces, including the world's largest collection of pre-Raphaelite art. These stunning works, with their vibrant colors, intricate details, and romantic themes, transport you to another world. Imagine standing before these paintings, captivated by their beauty and the stories they tell. From Dante Gabriel Rossetti's ethereal figures to Ford Madox Brown's powerful social commentaries, the pre-Raphaelite collection is a feast for the eyes and the soul. So if you're an art enthusiast or simply appreciate beauty, a visit to the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery is a must. Get ready to dance! Birmingham knows how to party, and what better way to celebrate than with a silent disco? In 2014, the city set a Guinness World Record for the largest silent disco, with over 5,000 people dancing the night away. Imagine the scene. Thousands of people, headphones on, grooving to their own beat, a kaleidoscope of music and movement. It's a unique and unforgettable experience, and one that perfectly captures Birmingham's vibrant and eclectic spirit. So whether you're a seasoned dancer or just looking for a fun night out, keep an eye out for Birmingham's next silent disco extravaganza. Calling all shopaholics! Birmingham is home to the Bull Ring, a shopping destination that's been at the heart of the city for decades. But did you know that it was actually the UK's first indoor city centre shopping mall? Imagine the excitement when it first opened its doors in 1964, a revolutionary concept at the time. The Bull Ring has undergone many transformations over the years, but it remains a popular destination for shoppers. With its iconic Selfridges building, a vast array of shops, and a vibrant atmosphere, the Bull Ring is the perfect place to indulge in some retail therapy. Let's take a moment to appreciate the groundbreaking work that takes place in Birmingham's hospitals. In 1950, Dr. Russell Brock made medical history at Birmingham Children's Hospital by performing the first ever hole-in-the-heart surgery. Imagine the courage, the skill, the unwavering dedication it took to pioneer such a complex procedure. Dr. Brock's groundbreaking surgery paved the way for countless lives to be saved and transformed the field of cardiac surgery. Birmingham Children's Hospital continues to be a leading centre for paediatric care, a testament to the city's commitment to medical excellence. By order of the Peaky Blinders, fans of the hit TV series will recognise Birmingham as the gritty and atmospheric backdrop for the show. While the Peaky Blinders were a real-life Birmingham street gang, the show has captured the imaginations of viewers worldwide. Imagine the cobbled streets, the smoky pubs, the palpable sense of history that permeates the city. The show has brought Birmingham's industrial past to life, albeit with a healthy dose of dramatic license. So, whether you're a fan of the show or simply intrigued by Birmingham's history, the city offers a glimpse into the world of the Peaky Blinders. Bookworms rejoice. Birmingham is home to the largest public library in Europe, a haven for lovers of literature and a testament to the city's commitment to knowledge and learning. The Library of Birmingham is an architectural marvel. Imagine stepping inside, surrounded by millions of books, each one a portal to different worlds and perspectives. From ancient texts to modern masterpieces, the library's collection is a treasure trove of human knowledge. The Library of Birmingham isn't just about books, it's a vibrant community space hosting events, exhibitions and workshops. Let's uncover a surprising connection between Birmingham and one of London's most iconic landmarks. St Chad's Cathedral in Birmingham was designed by Augustus Welby Pugin, the same architect who designed the Houses of Parliament, including the famous clock tower that houses Big Ben. Imagine the grandeur, the intricate details that Pugin brought to both of these architectural masterpieces. While St Chad's Cathedral is smaller in scale, it shares the same Gothic revival style and attention to detail that define Pugin's work. So next time you admire the Houses of Parliament or hear the chimes of Big Ben, remember the connection to Birmingham and the architectural genius of Augustus Welby Pugin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Birmingham, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating facts about cities around the world. From its industrial heritage and groundbreaking discoveries to its vibrant arts and culture scene, Birmingham has something to offer everyone. It's a city that's constantly evolving, embracing its past while looking towards the future. So next time you're planning a trip, why not add Birmingham to your list? You might be surprised at what you discover. See you next time.